Welcome back to my 3 packs a day experiment. My neighbor's calling somebody in for dinner. Welcome back to my 3 packs a day experiment where I try to see if I can get better at freestyle. Just 3 packs a day of practice. My theory is that consistent stick time, any amount, is better than none at all. And if your comments are any guide, my theory is correct, because a lot of you guys have commented on how much better my freestyle is looking than it was. Thank you. But I still got a long way to go. We've all got room to improve. And today, I'm going to be focusing on a trick that I've never felt as confident about it as I wish I would. And the trick that we're going to be working is the Matty flip. And in order to Matty flip, you need something to Matty flip under. And I'm going to use this board. And, you know, famously, people said, oh, Matty flips are just luck. You just throw yourself at the trick until it works. But cricket has proved that flying backwards is something you can do with skill. And so if he can do it, so can, yeah, anyway. And I guess one thing that I kind of want to work on before I even start working on the actual Matty flip underneath the post or whatever is just like getting a sense of your altitude when you're going backwards. Like, what is the sight picture of I'm about to hit the ground look like? It's going to be different for everybody depending on your up tilt, but I want to just spend a little time going backwards and getting a sense of what that looks like. It sucks because the ground is breaking up a little bit. I don't know why, maybe the low light. I really need the details of the ground. Can I do a backwards, just like a backwards circle? Oh God. Nope, that was not tight enough. Oh, a coordinated backwards circle. Yeah, see, that's when you're about to hit the ground. Oh, hello, or a tree. I'm really lucky I haven't hit that tree yet, to be honest with you. There's the ground. I saw myself touch the ground. I saw myself skim a piece of grass. Try that with analog. Not going to make it about DJI. Now, the problem is that it comes by so quick when you're... Sorry, I had to scratch my chin. It comes by so quick that... I don't know. Like, I think to do a move like this... So, I'm not going to start with a Matty. I'm just going to start doing it the way cricket does it, where you just drop in like that and then go backward. It just feels like it's feel. You know? It just feels like it's feel. Right? Are you really just using the sight picture? Or are you just kind of feeling how much you need to pitch back? Well, hey, I just did it, so, yeah. I mean, that's why there's no GoPro on my quad today, is because I know I'm going to crash a zillion times. I got some on my lens. That's a shame. And there may not be black box logs for every single flight, because some of these flights are going to be pretty short. So that just kind of worked, and I guess the sight picture did play in. I did kind of look at how high I was, just based on my practice. So I guess I would say if you want to do this, the first thing you got to do is figure out how high up off the ground you are. Feels to me like that, just so you know. And also, what does the horizon look like when you are pitched back enough to be going backwards, right? Where's the horizon in your camera? Because you're going to need to hit that pitch angle. If you pitch back way too far, then you're going to go a different direction than you thought you would. That went really well, though. So I don't know if that was too easy or... It did make the hole bigger. It's a pretty small hole to begin with. Yeah, so I'm just pitching back, and then I'm trying to just gauge my height and be just barely skimming the ground. It's a little trickier because the elevation does change. Could I do it from all the way up here? I'm gonna need sight picture for where the hole is, so I don't, no, I see I'm offline. I'm gonna need to get a sight picture for where the hole is so I don't miss the hole. So from here, what do I see? There's not really any indicator. I guess I just look at an object in the distance. Oh, that was pretty good. Yeah, you know, when you're orienteering, you know, like navigating with a compass, you look at an object far in the distance and aim towards it so that your small changes don't throw you off. I guess, like, I'm just lined up with the fence. Oh, I'm hitting 3.5 volts, but I'm too high. Ooh, that was close, though. Well, that's one pack. Let's bring it in, and let's try another pack. 5 minutes, 16-second flight. Yeah, when you're not really doing much, the flights last longer. Well, I guess we're just going to do Maddies then, since the little cricket move went so well. I guess we're just going to do Maddies. So, a Maddie, let's not assume that everybody knows what a Maddie is. A Maddie is basically kind of like a power loop. Power loop, you go like that. For a Maddie, you go. Now, the key thing about a Maddie is that you end up going backwards. So I kind of exited that one too soon. So with a Maddie, you want to come out of it. See, I'm scared to do it because you come from the sky and you can't judge your altitude. And if you come out too early, you slap the object you're Maddieing under. Like you would typically Maddie under some trees like this. So if you exit too early, you just fly into the middle of the tree. And if you exit too late, you hit the ground. And that, of course, is why it's a good trick, right, Joshua? The problem is that I can't see to gauge my altitude. Now, the way a lot of people will do a Maddie is they'll kind of go, and they'll hit that attitude of pitch back. They'll skip, so they'll kind of go over the obstacle and then like that, and kind of not do it evenly like a power loop. Like a power loop would be, ooh, son, evenly. When a lot of people do a Maddie, except they'll come back the other way. It's not even. So I don't know how to, I mean, I guess the fact that I can see the trees here is going to help, because I don't know if this was a good idea. And this is such a tiny gap. I mean, like, if I were to do it over a tree like this, I know there's a fence there, though. Ah, what? I don't know, man. See, I guess I just need to flip forward and end up here and then go back through. I mean, that would be something. It wouldn't be the best Maddie, but it would be a Maddie. See, and then back through. But that's not really a Maddie, is it? That's not really a Maddie. That's how a lot of people do them, I just want to say. So, or like that. Oh, yikes. Okay. I'm definitely getting the sight picture for coming back underneath. I gotta hit that angle just right. I gotta hit the angle just right to arrest my forward. See, I'm over-rotating and still going forward. See, over-rotating. I'm just doing a front flip. But I want to see the horizon again. That's why my sort of instinct is to do that. That was good. That was actually legit right there. A key thing there was to stop the rotation earlier and not see. My instinct is to pin the horizon, but I wanted to like use the trees as my sight reference, so I stop it earlier. Oh, that one would have been so good. Oh, no. I was offline, but that's more like it. So you don't want that stop. That's cheating. That's not a Matty. That's just like a front flip and then backwards. Oh, now that was good because I was looking at it the whole way over. For the really, like a wide one, that's... Ooh, ha ha ha. Nope, but let's finish it anyway. I went under. Okay. So instead of doing it like really big and wide, yeah, we knew that would happen. Oh, beautiful. The sun's come out. Nope, I over-rotated again. I gotta really find the angle where I'm going back. I just don't. Oh well. All right, new battery. See, I like that smooth rollover as opposed to kind of going and just kind of flipping it and jumping to that angle. See how can I line it up? It's lined up just to the left of this little patch of dirt and then straight on with the fence in the distance. Yep, I wasn't that far off. Air unit's still recording. Oh, I'm gonna get this. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. No, that was too high, but that was better. It's really hard because I'm indexing off the ground, but you can't see the ground. Damn. So what am I supposed to index off of? Nope. Okay, sloppy, Joshua. Okay, this pine tree right here in the middle. Why can't I hit that angle? It sucks so much. Yep, that was the angle. So I think the problem is that when I do it backwards, I'm so low to the ground that this is my sight picture. And when I'm higher up when I'm Maddie, so I'm not able to really see when I'm at the right angle, I think. There you go. That was it. That was one. Oh, that's what I really want. That tight one is the one I really want. Yes. That's two. That's two, baby. Nope. I'm just over rotating. I'm just doing, my fingers are just doing a front flip. That's the problem. I got that timing down and they just want to. Yes, that's three. So it's just getting the different timing into my fingers. It's not even really about the sight picture, is it? Oh, that was almost so smooth. 14.2 volts, baby. Too high, too high. Yeah, way too high, thank God. Oh. Alrighty. Well, there you go. 3 packs. Yeah. I feel like I'm starting to dial that in. Like I said in an earlier video, some of you may remember, this is the point where I've only just really started to make progress. And honestly, it would be so beneficial to hit like just 2 or 3 more packs even. But I'm just gonna do it tomorrow. I'm just gonna keep working it. I got other stuff. It's so gorgeous though, isn't it? Jesus. It's so gorgeous right now. Wow. But anyway, that's, I got other stuff. I gotta go play Borderlands with my kid before he goes to bed. So, priorities. Happy flying, you guys. Oh, I'm so glad you liked that video. I mean, you watched it all the way to the end, or you let it autoplay and you're not even here, so you can't subscribe or join my Patreon or watch another video or let another video autoplay.